How to find recently watched videos on Facebook. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your recently watched videos on Facebook. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over and open the Facebook application and then head over, click on menu here at the bottom right. Once you do so, you're going to click on this gear icon at the top right. After that, you'll be redirected to settings and privacy. You're going to scroll down over here, keep on scrolling down till you find the option of your activity. Here, you'll be able to see activity log. Click on it, and then you'll be able to see a couple of options over here. So you're going to scroll to the right, you'll be able to see activity history. And here, you're going to scroll right and keep on scrolling to the right till you find the option of videos watched. Click on it, and you'll be able to see all of the videos that you have watched over here if you have. So you can simply click on any video that you wish to watch again. But for reels, it is slightly different. For example, these are the reels over here, and if you wish to simply, watch them again, click on the specific reel and just scroll up and you'll be able to see all of the videos over here. So that's basically how you can find recently watched videos on Facebook. So if you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.